How to manage housekeeping task on Softinn PMS. As a hotel front desk officer, managing housekeeping task is important to maintain the cleanliness of hotel rooms. Check out this video to find out how to manage housekeeping task on Softinn PMS. Firstly, log into Softinn PMS. Make sure you select the correct property. Click on Others, then click on Housekeeping. This is Housekeeping dashboard for you to manage your housekeeping task. You could turn on Auto-Generate Task to create cleaning task automatically after checkout and daily audit. After you turned on the auto-generated housekeeping task, system will auto-create a cleaning task upon guest checkout. Besides, after every night audit run, system will also check and auto-generate cleaning task, if any. Example 1, imagine Joseph just checked out today, 13th of January 2021. Let's see how the cleaning task will be auto-generated by the system. Joseph reservation status is checked out for king bed. Room, KBR 001. Broom icon shown in orange color as the room status is dirty. The cleaning task will be auto-generated by the system. Let's see how it will be reflected on the housekeeping dashboard. The cleaning task has been auto-created by the system. The task date created is 13th of January 2021. The cleaning task status is on dirty. To assign the cleaning task to housekeeper, click Edit icon. Then, you may assign the cleaning task to the housekeeper. Click Save Changes. And you've successfully assigned the task to the housekeeper. When the housekeeper, Marky, is cleaning the room, the broom icon will be lit. The housekeeping status will be changed from dirty to cleaning. Example 2, you have a guest who will check in today for room DDR 001. The room cleaning status is on dirty. Let's see if you could check in this guest in PMS. On the arrival list, you could see Eliza will be check-in today for the room DDR 001. The cleaning status show is dirty. To check in the guest, click Check-in button. Click Yes, Check in Now button. System will notify you that room DDR 001 is dirty, meaning it is yet to be cleaned. Are you sure you still want to check in the guest to this room? Click Yes, Check in Now if you want to proceed to check in the guest. Please note that, if the room is on dirty status, you will not be able to check in the guest to the room. Complete, manage, or mark clean for your cleaning task so that you are able to check in the next reservation to the room. Example 3, you have a guest who will check in today to room SR 001. The room is currently on cleaning status, meaning the housekeeper is currently cleaning the room. Let's see if you could check in this guest in PMS. On the arrival list, you could see Jessica will be checking in today for the room SR 001. The cleaning status shown is cleaning. To check in the guest, click Check-in button. Click Yes, Check in Now. You will get a pop-up alert where the system will not allow you to check in a guest to a room where a housekeeper is currently cleaning the room. Once the cleaning task has been completed, the orange broom icon will be changed to the blue tick icon. And housekeeping status now has been updated from cleaning to ready. Once the cleaning task has been completed, you will be able to check in the guest. What does housekeeping task status with prep mean? Prep status is auto-generated by the system after the daily night audit for the room that has an immediate next arrival on that day. System will set the priority as normal. Hope this video helps you in managing housekeeping tasks on Softinn PMS.